to my channel. So today I am doing a, hopefully you can't see the mirror in the camera, but today I'm doing a little get ready with me type of thing. I haven't worn makeup in literally forever. Today I just felt like going out and doing my makeup and just feeling like pretty and whatever. So I figured I would just do like an everyday makeup look or whatever. Yeah, hope y'all enjoy it. Let's get started. So I already washed my face and everything. I gotta adjust my scarf though, hold on. Okay, so I just went ahead and pinned my scarf back. Hopefully I don't get any makeup on my scarf. I probably will, but let's see. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my Maybelline Master Prime to prime my face. So this was like one of the first makeup products that I bought in a while. I literally don't buy makeup. I just go, when I go home to visit, I just steal my sister's makeup. And when I wear foundation without primer, it just looks crazy. It looks bad. So, yeah. My foundation of choice is Fenty Beauty foundation. My color is 410. This is the Pro Filt'r foundation. I'm not really even sure if this is even my color anymore, but all I know is this is the foundation that I got and this is what I'm gonna use. So I'm just pumping some of that on my little beauty blender sponge thing that I got, and I'm just gonna blend it into my face. So y'all, not next week, well yeah, technically it's next week, on Monday I am going to have been married for an entire year. My anniversary is April 8th, which is Monday, like I said, and I am like kind of, I don't know, it feels like it flew by really fast, but then it also feels like we've been married forever. We're not going out of the country or anything, but we are trying to like do some things, make some moves that require us to save lots of money. So we're not spending a whole lot to go out of the country. All right, so the next thing that I am going to do, so now I got this foundation on, I'm gonna do my eyebrows next. So I'm just gonna use like a little eyebrow brush and just brush out these fuzzy brows. Today I am just gonna go to the mall because I need to buy some stuff for my trip, and then I also need to like a spring jacket. Like it was like so nice the other day and I'm wearing this big old winter coat and I was like, why the hell do I not have a spring jacket? Yeah, all I'm doing for my eyebrows is just using like a dark brown eyeshadow. I didn't even say nothing. I'm just using a dark brown eyeshadow. It literally doesn't matter the brand. I think this is like an H&M palette that I got like randomly. So I'm just gonna use a bronzer. This is a Ruby Kisses mineral powder, but it's just dark and I just use this to bronze. I am surprising myself today. Hopefully it looks good on camera because it looked good over here. I don't know if I'm hyping myself up and I really look crazy. I'm gonna conceal a little bit. I probably should have used my concealer after. But I just bought the other day the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. This is their contour concealer. So let's see how this, oh, okay. Oh, okay. So I'm just putting it under my eye. Oh, okay. Oh, I like this concealer. This is nice. And this is blending out so nice. Okay, NYX. Okay, NYX. Oh, and it just made my contour pop a little bit more. I really like this. So I'm gonna attempt to bake this concealer because I've never baked anything. This is I have the Airspun loose face powder. Bake under my eye. Wow. Am I putting enough powder? I'm scared that I'm not putting enough. So I'm gonna let that bake or whatever. So while that is baking, I'm probably gonna do my eyes, I guess. This is the Rimmel London Magnif'eyes Spice Edition. I wanted to use this one because it has all of the colors that like my scarf has. So I love when on Instagram I see those hijabi girls who wear their makeup matching their scarf. I think that's really cute. So I'm taking this dark berry color in that palette and just gonna use that as my crease color. Oh my god, y'all, last time I went to a wedding, right? Which was like 2 months ago. I had lost a contact and it was like my last set of contacts. So I literally went that entire weekend wearing one contact and I could not see anything. And I had to do my makeup. So I would like squint in one eye and I could see clear in one eye, but I couldn't see clear in the other eye. So I was trying to like, so doing my makeup was like literally ridiculous. I don't even know how I survived that weekend. So next, I'm going to take this matte orange color and I'm going to use that same brush and I'm going to put this in the crease too. Just to lighten it up a little bit. I'm doing something. Something is happening, y'all. I don't know what it is, but something is happening. I'm going to take a fluffy eyeshadow brush and I'm going to take this brown color. It's pretty much the same color as my skin. I wanted to do like a matte look. I don't want to do nothing super sparkly or anything like that. And I'm just going to pat that onto my lid. And it's like a, oh, I like this. Oh, okay. Do y'all have a favorite eyebrow? This eyebrow looks 1,000 times better than this eyebrow. And also because I don't get them done, so they're not like symmetrical or anything. It's very apparent. You can definitely see which eyebrow looks better. I'll put a little bit of shine, a little bit of shimmer in my inner corner. So I'm using this lightest white color. It's supposed to be shiny. Hopefully it actually does come out pigmented and shiny. Okay. So I'm just popping that right in the inner corner like that. I'm just gonna pop a little bit right underneath the arch of my brows. I think it's time I could wipe this off, right? I think it's enough time in between for me to wipe this off. So what I'm gonna do is use a big fluffy brush like this, big powder brush, and I'm just gonna wipe this off of my face. Okay, it doesn't look that bad. It looks a little, I'm not gonna lie, it looks a little ashy. It's a tad bit, but you know, it's not that bad. I know once I put my blush and my highlight and everything, it'll be fine. So I'm not even about to stress it, even though I'm low-key stressing it. Taking this fan brush, and I'm using the LA Girl Strobe Light Strobing Powder, and this is in the color 80 Watt. I really like these. These are really, actually really, really pigmented. I was like, okay, LA Girl. I'm just gonna pop that on my cheekbones like so. And I'm gonna do it on my nose. I always used to like highlighting my nose. I highlight it on top of my lip. My favorite eyeliner of all time. Let me put y'all on to the beauty supply store classic. Is the NK eye pencil, and this is in the color, I think it's just black. I think it's just the color black. The wings came out kind of somewhat symmetrical. The last thing I'm gonna do for my eyes is I'm gonna use my mascara. I've been using this mascara forever. This is a Loreal Voluminous waterproof mascara in Carbon Black. This is my absolute favorite mascara. So the last thing I'm gonna do is put on a lip gloss. I haven't really been into lipsticks lately, so I just been doing the gloss thing. Got a NYX Butter Gloss. I love the NYX Butter Glosses. And this is the color Praline, and this is like the perfect nude lip gloss for brown girls. So I'm just gonna put that on. And I had one of these before and I lost it. I don't know where the heck it went. And it smells like cookies. It smells really good. Maybe I'm just hungry. This lip gloss is perfect. It's right up my alley. It's nothing crazy. I know I said in the beginning of the video that I was gonna do like an everyday makeup look, but it turned into something a little bit more. I'm gonna do my hijab and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I put my scarf on right so that I'm not looking crazy anymore. I think I did really good for not having done my makeup in a really long time. And also I think I did really good on the eyeshadow. This was so much fun. I think I'm gonna start getting back into makeup, okay? I don't know, I'm not doing no tutorials because I don't know how to do makeup, but I will do stuff like this, like get ready with me. Hopefully y'all like these kinds of videos, and yeah, they may be popping up more on my channel. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. See you later. Bye.